Good morning students. Now it is a continuation of exercise 7.6, that is integration by parts. Integration by parts. We are using the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. In previous class I introduced this formula, from the book, and based on this only we are doing all the problems, and I have given a worksheet for useful tips what to select u and what to select v. And today also I am going to give you another idea, that is for this integration by parts, for relative selection of u, follow for relative selection of u, follow isolate, that is preference for I, that is I means inverse trigonometric function, and L means logarithmic function, and A means algebraic function, and T means trigonometric function, and E means exponential function. That means if an integrand is of x power n into tan inverse of x or sin inverse of x into dx, so this is algebraic A, this is inverse trigonometric function. Now compare with, check the isolate, which comes first. So A and I, here algebraic functions as well as inverse trigonometric functions. So I comes first. So relatively you have to choose I, this is for u and the remaining for dv. So this method, and check another one, x power n into e power ax into dx. So this is algebraic, this is exponential. So what we have to do, preference. So we have to first prefer algebraic function for u. So take this as u and the remaining as dv. So this is the method we have to choose. Also consider another one. For example, in the question number 14 and 15 we are given integral x into log x whole square. So this is algebraic function, this is logarithmic function, which should be preferred. So first comes L and then comes A. So what we have to take, L is a u preferably, so then only A. So take L as u and x and dx becomes dv. So this is the way of choosing u and dv. So it is for u only. In this order you check the elements, in the integrand, what are the functions are given. So determine all the functions, whether algebraic, logarithmic, trigonometric, inverse, like that, and prefer. So first I comes means take u as I, and the first let L present means, and all other than I comes means, so you have to prefer like this. So first I, second L, third A, next T, next T. So isolate is one of the most useful procedure for selecting u, that is relatively we can select this, we can give preference for u. So which comes first means that is the u, another one is dv. Question number 14, integral x into log x the whole square into dx. So if you want to use isolate, it is logarithmic function, this is algebraic function. So preferably L for u, so take u as log x the whole square, let u equal to log x the whole square. So dv is nothing but x dx. So here there are two functions, one is log x the whole square, another one is x. So we choose a for the L comes first, so log x the whole square can be taken as u and x dx as dv. We have to differentiate u for finding du. So du equal to 2 log x and divided by x into dx, that is differentiating log x the whole square 2 log x and differentiating log x 1 by x, the denominator becomes here, that is dx. So integrating dv we have v, so x dx means x square by 2. So integrating on both sides we get this one. Now we know the formula, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So the uv means these two, that is x square by 2 into log x the whole square minus integral v du. V means x square by 2. So take 1 by 2 outside the way. So here x square into du. Du means 2 into log x by x, log x by x into dx. Eliminate 2 and 1x. Now this is x square by 2 into log x the whole square minus integral x log x into dx, x into log x into dx. Now we need to integrate again by parts. So now use u for log x, take log x as u and dv as x dx. Now differentiating du equal to 1 by x into dx, here v equal to x square by 2. Substituting, this is equal to x square by 2 into log x the whole square minus of again uv means x square by 2 into log x. So this is x square by 2 into log x minus integral v du. So v means x square by 2, 1 by 2 into x square into du means 1 by x into dx, 1 by x into dx v du. So this is x. Now x square by 2 into log x the whole square minus, bringing the minus to the inside, that is minus x square by 2 into log x, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into x dx means x square by 2, that is x square by 2. So the answer is x square by 2 into log x the whole square minus x square by 2 into log x plus x square by 4 plus c. So this is the final. Question number 15, integral x square plus 1 into log x dx, log x dx. So this can be splitted into two, that is only x square into log x dx plus integral log x dx, log x dx. Let this one part be I, so this is I1 plus I2 and I1 equal to integral x square into log x into dx. Now, this is algebraic function, this is logarithmic functions comparing with I late. So, we have to preference for L. So, take L as u, another one is dv. Now, for the first one I1 u equal to log x and dv equal to x square dx, differentiating du equal to 1 by x into dx and integrating we have x cube by 3. Now, substituting we have uv means x cube by 3 into log x cube by 3 into log x uv minus integral v du. V means x cube by 3 into du means 1 by x into dx. So, this becomes x square. Now, this is equal to x cube by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 into this is x square into dx. So, x cube by 3. So, this is x cube by 3 log x minus x cube by 9 plus C1 and I2 equal to integral log x into dx. So, log x cannot be integrated directly. So, we have to use integration by parts only. So, preferably u equal to log x and dv equal to dx. So, take u as log x and dv as dx. We have to differentiate u. So, du equal to 1 by x into dx. We have to differentiate integrate v dv. So, v equal to dx means x. Now, this is integral u dv equal to uv means x log x minus integral v du means integral v into du 1 by x into dx. So, eliminating this is equal to x log x minus x plus C2. We know that I equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore, I equal to integral x square plus 1 into log x into dx equal to I1 means x cube by 3 into log x minus x cube by 9. Here this is plus x log x minus x plus c, where c equal to C1 plus C2. So, you can take log x as common, that is equal to x cube plus x cube by 3 plus x into log x minus x cube by 9 minus x plus c. So, this is the answer. Next question number 16. We have completed 14 and 15. Now, it is 16. Integral e power x into sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x into dx. We know that there is a formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Let I equal to, here f of x equal to sin x. So, f dash of x equal to cos x, f dash of x equal to cos x. So, it is in the form of integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of into dx. Therefore, the answer is I equal to e power x into f of x means sin x plus c. So, this is the answer. Question number 17. Integral x into e power x divided by 1 plus x the whole square into dx. Let I equal to this one and consider the function x divided by 1 plus x the whole square. So, we can write this as x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x the whole square, which is equal to x plus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. This is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. Now, let f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x, that is equal to 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So, f dash of x equal to minus 1 into 1 plus x whole power minus 2, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. So, we have that is integral x into e power x divided by 1 plus x the whole square into dx equal to integral e power x into, that is first part 1 by 1 plus x plus minus of 1 by 1 plus x the whole square into dx. So, this is in the form of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So, the answer is e power x into f of x, that is 1 by 1 plus x, that is divided by 1 plus x plus c, e power x into f of x plus c. Here f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x. So, this is e power x divided by 1 plus x plus c. This next question number 18. This is integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Whenever we are given e power x and in addition to that, that is into some algebraic functions, I mean rational function or trigonometric functions, we try to make it as a e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, then we can simply write the answer. So, let us consider this part 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x equal to, so first one is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So, 1 plus sin x can be written as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. In the denominator it is 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 and the numerator is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 the whole square divided by 2 into cos square x by 2. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 into sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 the whole square. We can write this as 1 by 2 is taken as common. So, once again I tell you 1 plus sin x can be written as 1 is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 and sin x by 2 becomes 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. In the denominator 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. The numerator is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 the whole square. Next the denominator is 2 cos square x by 2, taking 2 as common, that is 1 by 2 into this is a plus b divided by this cos x plus 2 whole square. So, common square. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 into, so sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 by cos x by 2. So, that is equal to half into tan x by 2 plus 1. So, this is equal to tan x by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into tan x by 2, sorry the whole square. Now expand this, half into, this is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 tan x by 2, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 becomes secant square x by 2, secant square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2. This is equal to half into secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. Now integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx equal to e power integral 1 by integral e power x into 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 into dx. Now take f of x equal to tan x by 2. So f dash of x equal to tan x by 2 means secant square x by 2, tan of something is secant square something, and the x by 2 differentiating we have 1 by 2. So tan x by 2 equal to f of x and 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 equal to f dash of x. So we can apply the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So the answer is, that is integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx equal to e power x into f of x, that is e power x into f of x means tan x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Question number 19. We have e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx, which is equal to integral e power x into 1 by x plus of minus 1 by x square into dx. So this is f of x. Differentiating minus 1 by x square is the f dash of x. So this is e power x into f of x into dx, that is e power x by x plus c. Question number 20. In the 19th problem, I gave you idea. So using that idea, you have to write the answer. Now 20th problem, we have integral x minus 3 into e power x divided by x minus 1 the whole cube into dx. Consider this rational function, that is x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube, which can be written as x minus 1 minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube, because in the denominator we have x minus 1 the whole cube. So this can be splitted like x minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole cube minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So eliminating this, we have 1 by x minus 1 the whole square minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. Now take this first function as f of x. So the derivative of the function is minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So this will be the f dash of x. So first one is f of x, this is plus of minus, so this will be the derivative. So the answer is e power x into f of x means divided by x minus 1 the whole square into plus c. So this is the answer. Next question, example 21. Exercise 21. Exercise 21. The question is integral e power 2x into sin x. This is of same type of example 21. So refer to the example 21. Refer to the example 21. So there it is given as e power x into sin x. So the same way you can solve this problem. So please try to do this. And I want to tell you one thing. For the verification of your answer, I give you one formula. In general, e power ax into cos bx into dx equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c, and integral e power ax into sin bx into dx equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So, do not use this formula directly for writing the answer. You have to integrate by procedure, and then finally you can check your answer is correct or not by using this formula. Next, question number 22. Question number 22. Integral sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. We know the trigonometric identities. So, let us recall that sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So, we have studied in 11th standard in trigonometry, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Using this idea, let us substitute for x. Now, put x equal to tan theta. So, differentiating, we have dx equal to secant square theta into d theta. X equal to tan theta means dx equal to secant square theta into d theta. Now, 2x by 1 plus x square become 2x means 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta will be sin 2 theta. So, substituting all those values here, let us take this as I, and this will be integral sin inverse of. So, instead of this 2x by 1 plus x square, we can put sin 2 theta, for the dx we can replace secant square theta d theta. So, this is equal to the inverse and sin will be cancelled, that is 2 into theta into secant square theta into d theta. Now, this can be integrated, that is take dv. So, this is algebraic. So, take as u. Now, u equal to theta, dv equal to secant square theta d theta. Differentiating u, we have du equal to d theta. Integrating, we have v equal to tan theta. Now, substituting all those values here, this is 2 into, that is uv, integral u dv means uv, that is theta tan theta minus uv minus integral v du. V means tan theta into du means d theta, that is equal to 2 into theta tan theta minus log of modulus of secant theta, and finally we can put c. So, this is equal to 2 into theta means tan inverse of x, here theta means tan inverse of x. So, if x equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse of x. So, theta equal to tan inverse of x and tan theta equal to x. So, this is x into tan inverse of x minus log of modulus of secant theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta means x square. So, secant theta equal to 1 root of 1 plus x square. So, this is root of 1 plus x square, and this is we can bring the 2, that is 2 into x into tan inverse of x minus 2 into, so bring the power to the front, that is 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square and plus c. This is log root a means log a power 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into log a. Accordingly, I have written like this. So, this is 2x tan inverse of x minus log of 1 plus x square. Next question number 23 and 24 are objective type questions. So, 23, consider 23, that is integral x square into e power x cube into dx. Here the derivative of e power x cube equal to x square. So, put t equal to x cube. So, dt equal to 3x square into dx, or 1 by 3 dt equal to x square into dx. So, this I will become integral e power x cube means e power t, and x square dx means 1 by 3 into dt. So, this is equal to 1 by 3 e power t, integrating e power t only, that is e power t means e power x cube by 3 plus c. So, the option is A. So, this is option is A, and let us try the next problem 24. So, this is integral e power x into secant x into 1 plus tan x into dx. Now, multiply secant x inside, this is e power x secant x plus secant x tan x into dx. Here let f of x equal to secant x means the derivative of that f of x is secant x tan x. Differentiating secant x, we get secant x tan x. So, this is in the form of integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So, the answer is e power x into f of x plus c, that means e power x into f of x means secant x plus c. So, the option is B. So, here